Hi students, how are you all? Seems very eager to learn new chapters. Then violate, get ready yourself with your teacher, Mrs. Anuradha Pattnaik, here in the virtual class for class 8th with the chapter 2 of history. The name of the chapter is Colonization of India. The chapter is made up of two words. Colonization, India. India is our motherland, as we all know. But what is colonization? It is a process by which a country which is militarily and economically strong subjugates other country which is comparatively weak in military power and economically. इसका मतलब एक देश अगर वो आर्थिक रूप से और सैनिक रूप से ताकतवर है, भले टेरिटरी में बहुत छोटा ही क्यों ना हो, वो एक दूसरे देश जो आर्थिक रूप से और सैनिक रूप से कमजोर है उस पर अपना दबाव बना के रखता है, अपना कंट्रोल जमाता है, उसे ही उपनिवेशवाद कहते हैं. Now, to learn the chapter, we have to go and learn that virtual journey by what process our India got colonized by the British. In the past, a very profitable trade the Europeans were having with the East. Many countries of Europe, they traded with the East over land. But the land route was blocked by Turks. As a result, the Europeans wanted to find out sea route. First, Portugal sailor Vasco da Gama, he discovered sea route to India in the year 1498 AD. Here you can see the sea route from Europe to India. Vasco da Gama landed first at Calicut of Kerala of India, and then started trading, and this Portugal's trade with India was very profitable. As a result, many other European countries also were attracted to have trade with India. Then commenced one by one French, English, Dutch and many other European countries. By the end of the 16th century, some rulers of the European countries sent groups of traders, merchants to start trading companies. The first East India Company, English East India Company, was established in 1600 AD. And after that, the other countries of Europe also started establishing their trading companies like French East India Company, Dutch East India Company and so on. These trading companies purchased raw materials at very cheaper rates by giving gold and silver brought from Europe. Gradually, these countries felt that for an uninterrupted supply of raw materials, and to protect their trade from other foreign competitors, they wanted to establish colonies. इसका मतलब धीरे धीरे ये ट्रेडिंग कंपनीज महसूस किए कि कॉलोनीज बनाना उचित होगा, जिससे हमेशा के लिए उन कॉलोनीज का रॉ मटेरियल्स अक्सर खरीद सकें और उनका कोई कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं होंगे. And thus they started making colonies. As a result, there occurred great competition among these European countries, so that through these colonies they could purchase raw materials at very cheaper rates, but they could sold their own finished goods at much higher rates. Then let us see how the Britishers established their trade in India. The British Trading Company got permission from the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. Then they established factories. Factory in those days did not mean at all the production center. It meant simply a godown where they can maintain official records, and they can have quarters for the servants who worked in English East India Company. In this way, through these East India companies, they started purchasing the raw materials. The Britishers first of all established the factories at Machilipatnam in the east coast and Surat in the west coast. Here is a picture of Surat in the west coast. Now it is situated in Gujarat. And through these factories, they started purchasing the raw materials. Similarly, other factories also were established at Mumbai. Then it was called as Bombay, Madras and Calcutta. In those days, the greatest rivalry for English were the French. Students, I will come up with more information in the next video about this chapter. Until then, keep yourselves safe and stay indoors. Thank you.